Good morning, guys. As you are aware, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. आज मैं आप लोगों को I just want to show you how exactly the village looks like. I understand you people have got a lucky place, but from my side, I just want to show you how exactly my village looks like, and I want you guys to have a look behind. See, this is one thing where we used to do normally. I used to do exercise as well as bicycling, and you can see this background how exactly the hills are there. And here we have a good that is small lake, you can tell, so it's something big. So with my front camera I think it might be a little bit not clear, no worry, but as you can see how exactly the location of the village looks like. I hope you too have the same opportunity as well as resources. I just want you guys to avail these resources in an efficient manner and use this COVID-19 situation as favorable, and that may help you a lot. And take care of your health as well, and do the maximum study as well as study. We must have health as well, so please go through whatever the God has been given. If your health is good, then automatically you can work hard. It is not only working hard, you have to take care of your health also. So if you have any queries regarding any kind of preparation, I understand I have got whatever the 1300 plus videos may be difficult to read or difficult to go through. If you think that, sir, we need little bit guidelines and what exactly has to be read on the basis of 12th standard or on the basis of graduation, you can have a call with me, you can have a word with me, so with which I can clear your doubts and I can tell you what exactly to be read. So I hope whatever the vlog I am making, so this will be one of the best thing. And even I had gone through my examinations recently, so I had not uploaded properly the videos. So I hope from now onwards I'll be making maximum extent for the benefit of the students as well as for the benefit of me and myself. So let us see what exactly will happen in future and what exactly the date of whatever the RRB and TPC, and we have got SSC HSL as well. So please go through them, and I hope this will benefit you a lot. Thank you guys. Have a nice time. Have a nice day. And I request you guys to forward maximum people, whoever is poor, who cannot afford the coaching, whatever the privileges they cannot avail because of their poor background. I want you guys to forward to one and all. Thank you. Have a good day.